This is what will happen if you invest $1,000 in Cardano ADA today. Cardano hit a high of $2.1 on May 13th, while Bitcoin and Ether, the market leaders, fell to $46,800 and $3,500 respectively. Cardano has increased by approximately 1,007% since the beginning of 2019. Now, it brings us back to our topic. What would happen if you had invested $1,000 in Cardano? Stay until the very end to find out the jaw-breaking result. Hi Cardano lovers, welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you are interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for us to provide you with more Cardano news. And let us know in the comments how much you think Cardano will cost next year. Let's get to it. Before heading forward, kindly note that prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only, and hence should not be considered financial advice. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. You've probably heard of Bitcoin and Ethereum, which both recently hit all-time highs before seeing a correction. Simply said, Cardano is a cryptocurrency that aims to address the scalability and long-term viability issues that Bitcoin and Ethereum have. Cardano Coin is a third-generation blockchain platform with a unique decentralized network established by cybersecurity and technical specialists based on scientific academic research. It's an open-source platform for developing decentralized applications and systems. After Elon Musk tweeted that he would not accept Bitcoin for Tesla because Bitcoin mining generates a lot of garbage, everyone realized how inefficient Bitcoin is. As a result, investors are beginning to invest in coins that are long-term, as the crypto market is currently based on what Elon Musk says. Cardano is an environmentally friendly green coin. Due to its underlying architecture, mining Cardano is more efficient than mining other cryptocurrencies. There are two layers to it. The Cardano Settlement Layer, CSL, is a type of account that allows users to trade ADA quickly and for very minimal fees. The control layer consists of protocols that perform various functions, such as enabling identity recognition, guaranteeing security, and executing smart contracts, among others. Cardano's green feature has the potential to outperform other cryptocurrencies in the next few years, while the market frets over crypto's long-term viability. While there are other green coins on the market, Cardano will be the most acceptable because it's the largest and most popular of them all. Cardano, in our opinion, has the most growth potential of all the old coins because it operates on a proof-of-stake model, which allows ADA holders to stick to ADA, and staking allows ADA holders to put their ADA into a staking pool and get paid in ADA at a rate of 5% shells per holding on an annual basis. Cardano's creators say they want to deliver financial services to the unbanked or people who don't have access to traditional banks. There are now an estimated 1.7 billion people in the world who do not have access to banking services, which is a significant amount. And that gives you an idea of how big a market Cardano is aiming for. Cardano is also involved in projects in Africa and other developing areas. Another Cardano application is that it aids in the stabilization of the application company. With a focus on security and long-term profitability, the platform focuses on centralized application systems and societies. One of Cardano's goals, according to its developers, is to build a more balanced and sustainable ecology. This takes into account the needs of its customers as well as other integrations. Smart contracts will be integrated into Cardano soon, allowing developers to build applications on top of blockchain platforms utilizing smart contracts. Smart contracts now underpin the entire decentralized finance industry, with Ethereum taking the lead. Currently, Ethereum's blockchain can only process a few transactions per second, roughly 15, resulting in substantial network congestion, which leads to longer transaction times and higher gas fees or transaction pricing. Cardano is now charged with handling a tremendous amount of transaction volume, despite the fact that ETH 2.0 could help. It has been tested at 257 transactions per second. As a result, the market as a whole in May has lots of room to grow in the years and decades ahead. One of the many reasons we're so enthusiastic about Cardano's prospects in the next months is because of this. We have a lot to look forward to this summer, September and the end of 2021, because a lot of things are coming up and a lot of projects are coming up. So, how much money could you make if you put $1,000 into Cardano today? And in order to do so, we must look back in time. Cardano traded at around 10 cents from its debut in 2017 until early 2021. It soared to over $1 and is currently trading at around $2, and this is owing to the fact that it is one of the most environmentally friendly cryptocurrencies. Cardano has been able to outlast and outperform other cryptocurrencies in the market. However, since its all-time high, it has plummeted and is now trading at $1.69. However, it has returned more than 1,800% since last year. So, congrats to everyone who invested exactly 1 year ago. So if you had invested $1,000 exactly 1 year ago, which would have yielded $11,709.88, then sold at an all-time high of $2.46, you would have received a return of 2,780%, resulting in a total of $28,804. If you'd invested that money in the stock market, it would have taken a very long period. So, once again, congratulations to everybody who invested during that period and is viewing this video. So, what if Cardano reaches $5 at the peak of this bull run, which is very conservative? And by the way, we do not believe that we're at the end of the bull cycle. In fact, the recent correction in cryptocurrencies has been very healthy, and we have a lot more catalysts coming up in the coming months that we should all be excited about. So, let's assume you only have $100 to invest in Cardano, and the current price is $1.68, which equals 57 ADA. And if you kept Cardano for a year, your $100 investment would have grown to $285. Let's imagine we arrive at the price target that practically everyone's talking about, which is Cardano going to $10. So, if you put $1,000 into Cardano at $1.68, you'll make a profit of $5,910, or 49%. You'll make $570 if you invest $100 in Cardano, 491% of the time to be exact. Let's imagine that Cardano is about to hit $20 per token and we're in for a huge bull market. Let's imagine you invested $1,000 in Cardano. Then you'll make an $11,820 profit, or an impressive 183% return. You'd now get $1,140 for $100, a 1,083% return. Cardano has discovered a new way for its holders to profit even more, and that is by staking their Cardano. We'd like to go over the prices we mentioned before briefly, because while all of these returns are excellent, there's no guarantee that they'll happen, and there will be many cases where the price drops way below what you paid when you first bought. We feel the $1 to $10 per coin figure at the top of this current bull cycle is a more likely possibility for Cardano, because cryptocurrencies are very volatile. So if you want to maximize your gains, make sure you have pure diamond hands and hodl your Cardano. Cardano, as previously indicated, has a lot more to offer and is still in its infancy. Staking your Cardano is a good idea, especially if you can make a lot more money by simply holding. Cardano allows ADA holders to stake their tokens and put them to work. Because by keeping and staking your ADA, you'll help the network validate protocol blocks while also earning a 5% annual return on your investment shells. So, if we invest 591 Cardano at a 5% yearly rate, we'll have around 27 Cardano. So, if we use the most often discussed pricing estimate, which is $10 per ADA in our perspective, we get 618 ADA, or a total return investment of $6,180. And if we were to stake our 57 Cardano, what would we do with $100? After that, we'll get roughly 2 Cardano tokens, giving you 59 Cardano tokens, for a total investment of $590, or a 49% return. And with that, it's time to end the video. We hope this session was informative. Do let us know in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Cardano Land.